Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, August 12th, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Wild day today. You know, we came in with 26 positions this morning, and I told you yesterday that even though we had slightly positive open trade equity, I was worried because if the overall market went south, we were toast with all those positions. Well, the market did go south slightly. You know, the Dow was negative virtually the entire day. Started out negative. I think it got a little bit positive, but it closed negative, down 9. The fortunate thing is it didn't get really negative. There's not any big, huge selling going on. And, okay, the bad news is we had $21,000 in losing trades today out of those 26 positions. The good news is we had $20,000 in winning trades. So the net result was we only lost $1,130 in our closed out trades. So basically, you know, we kind of broke even. But it was a wild day because we had big numbers in there. We had, I'll show you the charts. We had a BITA trade that we made almost $8,000 in, but on the other side of the coin, we had a trade in EDN that was negative over $5,000. So we had a lot of activity today with those 26 positions. Fortunately, we got out of it totally unscathed. We're holding only one position going into tomorrow. That is in Anacor, ANAC, and we actually made nearly $2,000 in Anacor today on an exit, but then we got this one re-entry. So Anacor is the only stock that we're carrying going into tomorrow, and we're actually negative $450 on it. But basically, you know, it was a break-even day. And if you look at the overall charts, you know, the Dow has had a little bounce here, not anything very big, and we've made about $15,000 on that, so that's not bad. But we've had some harrowing moments. Let's put it that way. And so anyway, let's take a look at the charts. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and you know, you can see here this big run-up that we had on Friday, and that was kind of climaxed up here yesterday and then pulls back, and I wasn't real comfortable with that pullback, and we got a little bit of continuance of this today. But basically this was a kind of a sideways downsy market today, and quite honestly, this looks to me like it's kind of steadying and bottoming here, and we're going to see another big run up here pretty soon, and you know, that could come tomorrow. This does not look like a weak market to me, but and as I say, we've made some money on this run. You know, we haven't been hurt in this. We've managed to keep our skin, so that's all good. And I actually am pretty pleased with this overall market action. And we only have one position tomorrow. Anything, you know, we don't really care what happens tomorrow. But what I'm looking for is another breakout to the top side that gets us into a bunch of positions, and then some follow through on the second day with that. That'll really, you know, we'll clean up with that kind of scenario. I'll show you just a couple of trades here. As I say, you know, we had $21,000 in losses and $20,000 in wins, and if we hadn't had those $20,000 in wins, I'd be crying today. But as it is, we basically broke even. This is in BITA. I did show you the chart yesterday, but I did want to show you how this came out. We had bought this yesterday right out of the gate, it kept going, and it kept going more this morning, and we got out of here pretty darn close to the top on BITA, and we are we took out almost $8,000 in BITA, so that was just a super trade. And we had one other really exceptional one, and well, if I can find it here, let's see here. You know something? Well, let's see here. Bob has trouble with his alphabet. Here we go. This is in SoFun. SFUN. Been a pretty good market for us, and it certainly was a good market today. We got into this thing yesterday about the second hour, and it just kept going. This morning it gaps, it moves down, and it looked like it was really going to go south, and then it reversed, took out the highs of yesterday, and got up here. And again, we're getting out almost at the top of that market, and we're getting close to $4,000 in profits on that trade. So that trade in combination with the BITA trade and then some other smaller positive ones is what gave us $20,000 in winning trades today. And that kept our neck out of the noose. Anyway, I'm pretty pleased with today's action overall, even though there's just a minimal loss here. And I am looking forward to tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.